So I am home from work and getting ready to start dinner. I'm gonna do grilled chicken on the grill with a big huge salad. So we're gonna have like grilled chicken salads tonight. So I've got my chicken as I usually do, marinating. I marinated this last night. This is the Baja Citrus marinade. 2 very large chicken breasts. So I have all my salad stuff out. I'm gonna prep everything. I've got some romaine, cucumber, carrots, some red cabbage, some tomatoes, broccoli, some onion that was left over from a barbecue the other day. We just had onion sliced up for burgers, and kind of a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, get everything assembled and show you what it looks like when it's all done. Hey guys, here's how the salads came out. I did add some hard-boiled egg. The chicken was marinated really well, and Matt has a piece of crusty baguette. He is having ranch dressing with his salad, and I am having the Planet Organics raspberry oregano, which I absolutely love, and it was a really good, fresh, light dinner for tonight. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to start dinner tonight. Tonight I am making a home chef meal. This is the Provolone stuffed turkey mini meatloaf. So thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this portion of the video. I absolutely love working with them, and I really like nights when I come home from work and have all my instructions and ingredients laid out. It just makes my life so much easier. I've talked about this before many times, but now it's just made my life easier than ever since I don't get home from work until sometimes between 5:30 and 6 p.m. So all the ingredients are here. Everything's portioned out. Everything's fresh. I love ground turkey. I actually love finding new recipes for it, and I've made mini meatloafs several times before, so I highly recommend them, guys. Right now they're offering their best promotion ever. It is $80 off your first 4 boxes, so it's $20 off each box for a total discount of $80. It is a limited time offer, so make sure you click my link in the description box down below and use my code GradysMom80, because I know you guys are absolutely going to love this, whether you are a working mom like me or you are a stay-at-home mom and you're busy all day with kids. So the boxes don't have to be purchased in consecutive order, so you can skip it. If you're going on vacation this summer, you can skip a box and pause your order. It's just really great and such a time saver, and you'll never be missing any ingredients because everything is right there. They also offer 18 different meal options every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and put this together and show you guys how good it looks when it's done. Alright guys, here are how the plates came out. I am super excited to eat these. I absolutely love anything meatloaf related. Big nice portion of veggies. They are never skimpy with the portions. And then I just put the little mini meatloaves on a bed of marinara and topped it with some marinara as well, just like in the picture. And yeah, I'm super excited to dig in. I definitely think you guys should take advantage of this limited time offer, especially with summer being here for a lot of you and kids are home. I think it's just a real lifesaver when you're busy all day long. But anyways, guys, click my link in the description box down below, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we're having the Rana brand. This is sausage and mozzarella ravioli. It's like the fresh ravioli. And I just boiled it and then drained it, added some pesto sauce to the hot pot, and tossed all the pasta in it. Probably gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top as well. And then on the side we have 2 just side salads, bed of romaine, peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, broccoli, carrot, and some croutons. And we're gonna have this Drew's classic Italian dressing and marinade. I've never used it as a marinade, but it's a pretty good dressing on top of here. And yeah, we're gonna dig in. We have some left in the pot if we want to have seconds. This is our dinner tonight, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to start dinner. Tonight is sort of like a freebie night, and sometimes on my meal plans I just don't feel like following them exactly. Most weeks I don't follow them exactly. I sort of just do them to give me some kind of structure so that if I'm kind of in a pinch and I have no idea what to make, I'll reference the meal plan. But tonight I'm just sort of freestyling it. So I've got a bunch of different veggies here. I've got baby bella mushrooms, zucchini, broccoli, red bell pepper, and onion. I also have a little bit of garlic here cut up. So I'm going to saute this up with some sesame oil, some reduced sodium soy sauce, and then some spices. I'll probably use like black pepper, red pepper for some heat, and just kind of a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So I'll saute these up. I also have some beef that I thawed out. This is like probably just under a pound of ground beef. So I'll saute that up with the veggies, and then I'm going to do this Innovation vegetable fried rice as a side. So kind of like a little Asian vibe going on. So I'm going to go ahead and get this going, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So this dinner actually came out really good, especially for just winging it, and it's always fun for me to create new little dinners and new little recipes. That Innovations vegetable fried rice was pretty good. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. I like the sticky rice and the garlic rice better, but this was a really good dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so this night I thawed out some of my homemade marinara that I had frozen a whole bunch of batches of. I had some sausage, I made some pasta, and then I made some garlic breadsticks. It was a really good dinner. So on this night we were grilling up some pineapple spears. I just cut them off a pineapple and I put a little bit of cinnamon. I've got some barbecue sauce for some shrimp skewers that we're going to throw on the grill and brush with the barbecue sauce. Alright guys, so we have the grilled pineapple with a little bit of cinnamon sugar, a barbecue shrimp skewer, and some of the cold noodle salad. And yeah, we're going to dig in. This is what we're having tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Home from work, and it's time for another grilled dinner. So I've got some chicken breasts that have been marinating about 24 hours. This is the McCormick brown sugar bourbon marinade. And yeah, 2 very large breasts. I've got a whole sheet pan here of veggies. Normally I would throw these on the grill, but I already have my oven going anyway, so I thought since my oven was already on, I would go ahead and throw these in. I've got zucchini, yellow pepper, some large cherry tomato or grape tomato, and some red onion. And I'm going to get these in. I just tossed them in some olive oil, some pink Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. I might also add some garlic powder. I'm going to get these on the grill and bring it together. I've got potato wedges in the oven for my husband, and my son's going to have some of those, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So here is how everything came out. We love to do barbecue chicken, especially in the summer, at least once a week, and the veggies came out really good as well. And Matt's just had some potato wedges on the side, and this is what we had tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I had some lean ground beef. I think it was like 3/4 of a pound that I had to use up. So I just sauteed it up, you know, cooked it up in the pan. I added some taco seasoning with some water, and then I had some fresh corn that I had cut off the cob. I can't even remember when, but I had cut it off the cob and froze it. So it is fresh corn that was frozen. So I just threw that in with the taco meat, and I'm gonna make taco salads tonight. So this is what's going on. I'm gonna prep up all my veggies and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so these came out really good, and I just did a bed of romaine with some chopped up jalapeno, red pepper, tomato, some black olives, some cucumber, and I also crumbled up some tortilla chips and added the taco sauce as sort of the dressing. Sometimes we do ranch, but yeah, Matt has cheese and I don't, and it came out really good. It was really fresh, and that was dinner tonight. So this last dinner was some locally made kibasi and some veggies. I had some squash and peppers and onions in there. I sauteed it up and just served it with some good old Kraft mac and cheese, which we rarely have, but when we do, we really enjoy it. This video ended up being filmed over the course of 2 weeks. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.